Well, welcome to Camp Moon Dog Workshop. Looky here at this guy. Here is a rare bird. One of my guys, Mr. Russ, sent me a message saying, hey, I found an IL 323. It's been Frankenstein. It's got 319 font on it, but I'd like to get it fixed up. Can I send it to you? I said, well, sure, of course. So he sent it to me. I unwrapped it today, and I was looking it over, doing a triage. And I thought, yeah, that's a 319 font and a 323. And I thought, oh, he hasn't got a filler plug. Let me see if I got one that I can let him have here. So I got out a 316 filler plug, and it wouldn't fit. I thought, uh-oh, what the heck? So I went and I got a CQ plug, and sure enough, it fit. I thought, wait a second, 319s never use CQ filler plugs, so I went to the Bible, checked out Terry Marsh, and look at that. The 323s also came with a 3-pint font. Everybody else has got a 2-pint. This is a 3-pint. Sure enough, what a rare bird. So anyway, I was really impressed. Terry says that a few of them were made with the 7-inch font and nobody knows why they did it. My guess would be they might have started doing it, said, what the heck, we got stress cracks, we're not going to use that anymore. So we'll go to a smaller font. But anyway, this has got a couple of hairline stress cracks, and it's going to clean up nice. It's in all original condition. That's something you don't see every day, do you? Wowzer. First one I've seen in person, anyway. Okay, that's it. Goodbye.